Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So if you are using Windows 11 and Windows 11 is not detecting second monitor or second monitor is not displaying in Windows 11, in this video let's fix this. First, try to check the cables and the connection, and after that restart your PC. In the most cases this will fix the error, but if you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next step you can try. Right click on the desktop, then click on this option display settings. After that, scroll down and you will see this option here, advanced display. Click on it and this will show you the option to select the second display. So if the second display is showing here, try to select that option, but in my system the second display is not showing. The next step you can try, click on this Windows icon. After that, click on this settings option. On the left side, click on system. After that, on the right side, click on display. Scroll down and you will see this option, multiple displays. So this is the option we need, detect other display. Click on detect. So in my system I am getting this error again, we did not find another display. Move on to the next step you can try. In this next step we are going to update our display driver. So right click on Windows icon, then click on this option device manager. After that, click on this option display adapters, and this is the Intel driver I have in my system. Right click on it, go to update driver, click on browse my computer, then click on let me pick from. Now select the driver you have, then click on next. So this will manually update your graphic driver, your display driver. But if you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next step. Again, right click on it, go to update driver, click on search automatically. So this will try to update your driver, but if you're still getting the same issue, the next step you can try is update your driver on Windows Update. Now click on check for updates. So this will try to check the available updates you have for your system, and this will update your operating system. So you can try this method as well. So these are the few methods you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.